Prior to removing the instrument from its case, pay attention to how it's positioned so you can easily replace it in the correct orientation later. Secure the instrument to the tripod, being careful not to over-tighten the fitting. Make sure that the instrument is centered on the tripod head and that the adjustment screws on the tri-brack are in a neutral or halfway position. Adjust the legs of the tripod to an appropriate height. Bring all 3 tripod legs together. In grasping 2 tripod legs, place the tip of your foot near the occupation point. Place the forward tripod leg out in front of the occupation point a comfortable distance. Next, equally pull the remaining 2 tripod legs back into the sides of the occupation point. Still holding 2 tripod legs, look through the optical plumb and sight your occupation point. Move the left and right tripod legs as needed to center the target over your point. Once the occupation point is centered in the optical target, set the feet of the tripod securely into the ground. You can keep a hand on the tri-brack to help stabilize the instrument and minimize rattling when setting the feet in loose soil. The leveling process can be broken down into 2 steps: rough leveling, which adjusts the length of the tripod legs, and fine leveling, which adjusts the thumb screws on the tri-brack. Under ordinary circumstances, rough leveling should require the adjustment of 1 or 2 tripod legs. Adjust the height of the legs as needed to center the bullseye level bubble. Shortening the leg will cause the bubble to float away from the leg, and lengthening the leg will cause the bubble to drift toward the leg. Now check your optical plumb to make sure you're still centered over your point. Orient the vial bubble so that it is aligned with 2 of the thumb screws. Move these 2 thumb screws simultaneously in opposite directions. Using your thumbs, rotate them so that they are either spinning towards each other or away from each other. The bubble will follow your left thumb. Once the vial bubble is centered on this axis, rotate the instrument 90 degrees and adjust the 3rd thumb screw independently until the bubble is centered. Now, looking through the optical plumb, check to see if the instrument is still centered over the control point. Now you're ready to get to work.